any one of those.
Episode 45 of our Mark 7 Golf R. Last summer with the E85 tune, there was detonation on cylinder 4. Today we'll get through most of reassembly.
So these got, on one side of the cap, it's got, each one of them's got a different number, but this one's H7.
Yeah.
But then on this side, it's not there. So then you don't got to worry about mixing up the location of the cap.
Cool.
Or the rod. Because like there's H7, what was it, H8, H4, H8, H4, and H2. So then you don't got to worry about mixing anything up, which that's nice. I like that. So let's get this off.
Did we put the bearings in one set?
So pull the bearings out yet?
Yeah, because this one's already got bearings in it.
There's no chips or nothing on them. I'm really surprised how narrow these bearings are compared to the rods. Are factory ones like that?
Mm-hmm.
I was just expecting to be, because you got 16th on either side or something like that. Alrighty. And then you said it was
Do we have the
what?
old bearings?
Where's that? Is it? I don't know, maybe they are the same. Here, let's take that cap off.
I got this.
Oh.
Got it. Got lube?
Yeah. Rotate you. Alright, 180, 180. Alrighty.
Oh, did you get it?
Yeah. Do the service peg. No, just do whatever it is. Do whatever the engine, where everything's gonna go.
Yeah.
And then the valves went that way.
Here. Here, right here.
Have to get a hammer and just tap her in. I wish this thing would sit straight. This would just be nice.
Is the
the crank's all the way down, so I
Okay.
could rotate it up slow.
Yeah, but
What's going on? Should be going in. I hope these things don't rub the crank when
Hmm.
Yeah, see, that's what I wish it was.
you want to flip it over and push it up?
Yeah, I kind of do.
Okay.
Yeah, it's going. It's there.
Got it?
Yep.
Oh, look, you can service the
Yeah,
pistons,
service
right?
the rings. I mean, the
pins right from the side. We're gonna
Do them one at a time.
Well, we want to do at least get the plastic gauge on it one, or fuck it. It's.
I'd rather do them one at a time because I don't want to flip this thing over. Like, I know they're not going to fall out, but like,
Hey,
God forbid, you know. 'Cause that'd be our luck. You flip it over and then they just all fall out. Yeah. Like, dude, like, never in any years of doing this you ever have that happen.
yeah,
But of course now.
yeah.
Yeah. Should have bearings in there.
What side's the number on?
Mm-hmm. Well, I thought we cut it because it's smaller.
Mm-hmm.
Smaller than the others. I guess not enough. You calibrate a piece of wax. Perfectly straight, that'll be fine.
Yep.
787. And bolts.
$50.
Yeah. $50. Right way. Alright, even good.
Okay, now it's like take it all back apart again.
Leave them in there and just pop that down a little bit
Go for it.
so we get the cap off.
Yeah.
Remember, we gotta.
Yep. There you go.
Easier after you do it a couple times.
$2,000s.
I think 1.5. 1.52, right around
That's
there.
good.
Yeah. We're using brake clean, I think we're using on this.
Yep.
I was watching something that it said you could leave that in there.
It's wax.
Yeah, I don't know if I want to.
Yeah. There's wax and oil.
Yeah, but that's,
Right, exactly. It's already in there.
Yeah, it's a little bit smaller than...
Yeah, then a stripe across the crank.
You get it in the hole, yeah.
Of course.
It's a see-through hole anyway.
Yeah. Do we need to put any?
It's got a decent amount on there. And under the head too.
Under the head too.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay.
It's on the cap too. It should be fine.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's see. First one, she spin.
And it clears all the
Yeah.
major parts. Woohoo!
One. Definitely clears those little squirters in it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
About an eighth of an inch.
Is it okay? It's hard to see that one, but. Number 2 now. Number 2.
Number 9. Number 9.
Oh, we don't have 9. This isn't a Bugatti.
Oh. Got a long Phillips, narrow Phillips.
For what?
Stick it up from the bottom.
Hey, in the hole.
In the hole. And
Yeah, screwdriver. Pretty good there. I got some taps. Like it's just
you think we need to
the brand new LTs.
Oh, okay.
They're running 0. That one's not straight. I don't like that one. There. Just cut that there. What, those bolts?
Yeah.
Good check. Make sure I don't uncalibrate this calibrated wax. Yeah, I got lube all on.
Okay.
Bearing. H2. H2's on this side. Ah.
Okay.
Looks about the same.
Yes, it does.
Yeah, it was a little. That one more favors 1.5, but we're in. Yeah, it's good. 1.5. On there. H2, H2. Oh, Jesus, okay.
How come the piston's coming out the bottom of the block?
It's supposed to do that.
Oh, okay. Any easier to see the squirters on this one?
Is what?
The piston cord.
Oh yeah. Got to put a little on wrist pin before we put it together. For some reason now it's twice as hard to turn. We gotta flip this over. Yeah, this one's a little more around 2-ish, a little over, but yeah, they're all right around 2, 1.5.
1.5 to 2.
Good.
Got plenty of lube on it.
Yeah.
Hey, what do we do with this extra bearing?
Just throw it in the pan.
Yeah, because that's where they all end up anyway.
Yeah. Well, if you're lucky, they end up in the pan.
Oh, what? When you took them apart, when you broke them all loose, you put grease on them all, man.
What?
On the bolts.
No. Remember they were torqued
Yes.
together?
Yep.
Like if they were a little dry, then I put more on there. But it's like it's all in there. It's
Yeah.
everywhere. It's fine.
Yep. Nope. I agree.
Here it is. Alright, one last double check. Ring, 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 ring. Is that about the same?
Yep.
Looks a little fatter like that one, but should be about 1 or 2. That's millimeters. Yeah, it's like 1.5.
Okay.
Hair under, but all right about the same. They've what?
If you take the number that's stamped into each particular journal.
Not anymore. That way. Here, watch it. Let me see. Yeah, that way. Here we go. This factory gasket. Yeah, it looks like it.
Yep. OE. they stick up high enough.
I think they stick up high enough. These outside ones definitely. Like I seen something on there.
Grease.
No, yeah, maybe. I thought I seen like a hair. Alrighty. Yeah. A little more turn out of them. $55.
Yeah.
50.
56 and a half.
After this one is good. pissing me off. Sorry to get by your face just because the pin.
Yep.
I was hoping. This one, right? No?
Yeah. Double checking.
Alrighty. That's it. One last. You should be good. Voila. It's assembled.
Yep.
Somewhat assembled. That on other car companies, it comes loose and it rotates and throws the computer off. The computer thinks the timing is